Alright, hello guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a virtual machine using VMware Workstation 16. First of all, you want to choose your ISO or OS to install as a virtual machine. I'm going to be using Ubuntu as an example, so you're going to hit download. I already have it, so I'm going to cancel it. Now, you're gonna go into VMware Workstation 16, hit create a new virtual machine, install a disk image file, and then look for your thing. Mine's right here. Hit open. Next. This stage is, is for you. I'll just put something random. Then you can name it. I'm just gonna name it YouTube test. 20 gigabytes or whatever the recommended size for your OS. Split virtual disk into multiple files. And then right here, I'll just leave it like that. You can change it to whatever you want. Then you hit finish. Now you're gonna wait for it to install. Now it's installing, and I'll just skip to the part when it's done. So we're back, and there might be an error that pops up, so I'll just leave a link in the description on how to fix there. But here we are. We're now in the OS, and see, it works perfectly fine, I think. There you go. You could do anything with it, and yeah. So good night. It's 12:38, and yeah.